this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Tonight I'm going to show you how to do a really simple wreath design, which is great for the holidays if you're painting gifts. I'm going to start out by using Teddy Bear Brown. Now, you can do this with brown, or if you wanted to do green, that's up to you, but I did brown thinking in terms of getting the background, the starting of my wreath to look like the wood of a branch. So any brush, use any brush. I'm just happening to use a 3/4 of a branch, I'm sorry, 3/4 of an inch 1-stroke brush, folk art, just loading it with the color brown. What I'm going to do is put brown around the edges of this cup. This is the black cup that I do a lot of videos, or have done a lot of videos with. If you're new to my channel, know that I like to create very simple designs that anybody can paint. That's the whole premise of this part of my channel, because I have a lot of other things that I do, but this part is to do simple designs that anybody can do. Alright, so I got that full of paint, and I'm going to turn it upside down, put it down on my ceramic tile, and I'm just using the ceramic tile as a guide. I'm sorry, not the ceramic tile. I'm using the cup as a guide, but the ceramic tile I'm just using as a piece that I can paint on and wash off. Alright, so I'm just going to do a couple little circles. They don't have to be perfect. As you can see, mine are not. And I am going to be using 2 different colors of green, and a red, and a little bit of white. With the green, I'm just going to stick a round brush into, I can do each color, I can do it a little bit at a time, but I'm just going to be going like this to pull little leaves onto what I would consider the branches, and just move around your design as it goes. And of course it's wet, so I'm just going to pull some brown in, which if you don't like that, you might want to give it some dry time, but with doing this video, I'm just going to go ahead and keep painting. And you can always add more paint in as you wish. Now you can do one of two things with this. You can have your leaves going all in the same direction if you choose to do so, or you can then go this way and start, creating your leaves just like that. And again, I'm just sticking in, using the same brush, just sticking in and rotating, maybe putting the colors on at the same time on the same brush, or rotating the colors, whichever you want to do. And just be kind of random about it. Doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, if you wanted to do these, in a certain way, feel free to do so. It's up to you. And I'm just using a small round brush. Again, with my videos, I don't like for people to have to go out and buy products that they're never going to use again, or something specific that maybe they don't actually need, or maybe you don't normally use a round brush. Just use what you have. And again, just be kind of random with it. It doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just basically touching and pulling. And hopefully you can see all this. I tried to raise my camera a little bit to make my make it not so close to what I'm painting. I said, and it's okay if you pull a little bit of the brown in. If you don't like that, just go over it with more green. And if you want this project to have a lot of leaves to it, make it that way. Or if you just want it to be more barren, then do that. That's fine either way. Put your own little twist to it. All right, so I think I've done that enough. I can get really heavy with the leaves. So what I'm going to do now is come in with my even smaller round brush. Now you can do it one of two ways. You can either come down here and put in a ribbon, which is what I'm going to do, or you can do it up here. Well, I might start up here actually. Now because I'm doing this wet on wet, it's very probable that it's going to pull in some of the colors from below because I have not given it any dry time. But that's okay. That's to be expected. Again, anything that I do that maybe you think you can do a different way, that you would like it better, feel free to do so. These are just ideas. And in the background, I like to do just a really light sound bath for you for relaxation purposes. And again, I can just go over this. I can then do my little ribbon that'll come down and then just bring it down throughout your painting. Just like that. If you want to double up your ribbons, you can do that too. That's up to you. Alright, I'm just keeping it simple. And then the next thing that you can do is come through with the back of your brush and just add some little berries to it. Berries make a nice little addition, I think, to any kind of a Christmas painting. And if you want to use different colors besides red, you don't have to use red and green. I mean, most of us know that those are kind of typical holiday colors, but it doesn't have to be. You can use silver, blue, gold, and come out from the wreath if you want, or you stay within the wreath if you want. It's up to you. And do as many as you want or as few. Again, purely up to you. Next thing I'm going to do is take I have a big round brush, and I'll put all this information down below the video, and I'm putting it in water. Just sticking it in water to get the bristles really wet. And then I'm going to put it in white paint, and just kind of trying to thin it out. Now if you have like a way to thin it, sometimes there's mediums that you can use, but I'm just gonna, hopefully this works out. Just kind of gently do this so that it looks like and if you want to do it more or less, again, make it your own. With the splattering. Again, you can do this on any surface. You can put more on there if you want, or leave it just like this. Very simple way to do it. And there you have it. Alright, if you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're new. Feel free to share this video with your family and friends. I would appreciate that. And just sit back and enjoy the light sound bath in the background. Hope you enjoy that throughout the video. And until the next time, I hope that you stay safe and healthy, and I will see you next time. Have a good one.